Okay, problem solved. I figured out. I made a mistake. I need to start trying to make these videos shorter because then I won't make so many mistakes hopefully at the end. So I forgot a while ago to multiply my x's by 2 over pi. Remedied that. All of this is correct. My mistake was when I typed it in the calculator. And this is a messy one to type in the calculator. It is. All right, so I'm going to type 2, and then I'm going to put, times the angle part. Okay, the angle part is 1 divided by cosine. And I have to put, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change this to parentheses. 2 times 1 over cosine, and the parentheses will be fine there instead of a times sign. Cosine of pi over 2, and I'm going to put pi over 2 in its own set of parentheses times x, and then I'm going to close the parentheses, and then I add one more close. And that seems excessive on the parentheses. But notice what happens. I have one big giant set of parentheses around the angle business, around the secant stuff, okay? My next set of parentheses is around the angle, and I have an additional nesting parentheses over the pi over 2. A while ago, in the other video, I forgot this last parenthesis to end the angle stuff. So what was happening, because I left that out, it was adding 3 before it multiplied by 2. And I needed to finish the cosine or the secant stuff, multiply by 2, and then add the 3. So I was missing a nesting set of parentheses. Okay. On my window, I'm going to go just from -8 to 8, and instead of pi involved there, I'm just going to have several cycles. You go -5 to 5, whatever. And I need to make sure that I go from I could probably do something not as far down as -4, and I probably don't need to go all the way to 15, but it'll be fine. And now it does look like the highest it's going is 1, and the lowest it's dipping down from the top is 5. So I had done all my hard by hand stuff right. I just missed a parenthesis when I typed it in the calculator, and that caused a big problem. It was causing me to do the shift up before the multiply by 2. So it was shifting it up 3 and then multiplying by 2, and that's why I was going up to like 8 or something like that. Okay. If you want to verify that those horizontal lines are at 1 and 5, you can draw a horizontal line at 1 and 5, and you can go, yep, that's where they're touching at. So my apologies that it took me so long to figure out my calculator typo that I had. That's frustrating, but it does check out. The math was right.